Hello, for today's video. Today we are going to look at the dimensional tolerancing and specifically the use of the fit system for the hole and shaft. The objective of using the hole and shaft system is applying the fit function. It is used for the length dimension of the cylinder type elements or type 2 parallel opposite surface. Nominal dimension is the dimension of an element or perfect shape, such as hole defines the drawing. Real dimension is the dimension of the associate or associate integral element. Permitted extreme boundary dimensions of the element. Upper limit dimension is the largest allowed dimension geometric element. A lower limit dimension is the smallest permitted dimension geometric element. Deviation is the difference between the actual value and its reference value. Limit deviation, upper or lower limit deviation, is a deviation from the nominal dimension. Tolerance interval, simply put tolerance or tolerance zone, is the difference between the upper and lower tolerance gap. Tolerance limits are prescribed values of characteristics and establish the upper or lower limit of the permitted value. The IT normalized tolerance is any of the tolerances specified by the ISO normalized set of rules for tolerancing length dimensions. The tolerance interval is the variable value of the characteristic between the tolerance limits, including the tolerance limits. That's all for today video. Next time we will take a more in-depth looks at tolerancing on the technical drawings and specifically the 3 types of fit. Have a good time and bye.